402-188.
188. Thank you. Please confirm the name of the firm you're calling from.
Churchill Finance.
And if I need to call you back for any reason, Anthony, the number you called with is showing as anonymous. Do you have a number I can call you back on?
It's 0208 361
Okay.
5050.
5050. Thank you. Is this a new query? Have you told us about this before, Anthony?
Yeah, it's been an ongoing thing, really. Yeah, but I have an update for you.
Okay. Do you have the case reference from the time you spoke to us about it?
Normally I use that reference, 402-188.
Okay, so you don't have like a case reference. So go ahead, it's fine.
Yeah. Can you give me an update on this matter, please?
I can't give you an update because I don't have the case reference.
Okay.
Look at the matter. That was what I was asking you. Did you get any case reference?
I have a reference here. I have a reference. It's I'm just looking it up on my computer. It's 205.
205. Is it 21 or 205?
205.
Okay.
205 467 296.
296.
Yeah.
The case reference is always 210. Are you sure you have the correct one?
There is another number here. You mean 201, right?
210.
Well, I got it at reverse. I got 201-80906. So I'm reading this off an email from you.
Let me check. Just opening that now. Okay. I don't have that either, but no problem.
I mean, I'm reading it directly from a letter from you. So I have another one, 205 467 296.
Normally, case reference comes with, it starts with 210.
Well, I'm reading directly from your paperwork, so I can't say what you're saying is correct. Yeah, 205 467 296. I'm just reading that direct off your letter.
Okay, just 1 second. I'm just checking.
Yeah,
so just
sure.
give me a brief breakdown of exactly the last time you spoke to us.
Well, what it is, you've removed my license of your system. Yeah. On the basis that there was a conviction. Yeah, I was convicted for trespassing in my own house. Yeah. So there is no such conviction. It's all nonsense. You don't have an order of conviction. So I've raised this matter. It's in the High Court, and eventually, after a couple of years, I had a letter from you saying, one of my clients had a letter from you saying I've never been disciplined or sanctioned. Yeah.
Okay.
But you're still not restoring my number, even after you issued such a letter. And then you've gone and published all this stuff on Google, which is completely harmful to me and unfair. And it looks like you've instructed a lot of other people, CII, Accountancy Association, my website provider, to take down my website. Everything is based on this order of conviction, which you don't exist. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not putting you short there.
Yeah.
Do you have the name of the person you were sending the email with?
We're sending it all the time to Nikhil Rathi. We're sending it by registered post all the time and emails. Yeah.
So are you sending me as an email?
We send it email to Nikhil Rathi and we copy in other people that we have.
Oh,
And
Nikki. Okay.
Nikhil.
Nikhil. Yeah. Okay. So this.
Yeah.
This is
So
what
you've
our advice,
you've issued a document to the somebody to one of my clients, stating that there is no regulatory action against me, but then you've left your publication and stuff, which is harming my reputation, you know?
Okay. I can take you to the system on the website where you can raise a complaint. Have you raised a complaint?
No. I want to talk to a human being. I've done all this. You guys don't even, you're not even responding to registered post.
Yeah, because the reason why I said so is that the number you've called,
Yeah.
this line, it's
Yeah.
not the number, it's not the line that will be able to resolve that issue for you. Okay?
Okay.
You have been receiving emails. If you should reply that email that I've been sending you the email.
Yeah, but
address,
you
I
don't
know
respond
that
to it. You just you don't respond to it. You just, you know, yeah, I don't get, that's why I'm phoning out. You understand?
Yeah, I understand, Anthony. I get where you're coming from.
Yeah.
If I were you, I would do the same thing because I prefer to
Thank
speak
you.
to somebody instead of just sending an email and all that.
Well, we've done everything. I mean, I've had people calling up for me, you know, Neil Berry and other people trying to assist me. I've had loads of my clients have written complaints and sent it in by registered post.
Yeah.
And you guys are just acting like a bully, honestly.
Yeah, but the truth is that I can't help you.
Right.
I can't help you. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Because the line you called is just a line for those that have issues with their system. That's the only thing I do on the
Right,
phone.
right. Who can help me?
What I would recommend
Mm-hmm.
is you have the email that you have had, the email correspondence that you have. Do you still have it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. The two things I can recommend is sending an email back to that email address.
Yeah.
And send a complaint to the complaint team.
I mean, who is in charge? No, they're not replying me. They're stonewalling me. Yeah.
Okay.
I've done recorded delivery. You don't reply to that. That means you don't give a damn. You're not acting like a regulator. You're acting like a mafia.
Unfortunately, I don't know how to explain that because
yeah.
I'm not in that team. I'm not in that.
I mean, you sound like a nice person. Sooner or later, they're gonna ask you to. Sooner or later, Christina. We're both talking at the same time, you know.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I was just saying that unfortunately, I'm not on that team. I don't really know how far the situation is and what the case is.
So who is on that team? Can you not put me through to the team? Whoever is it?
That's the issue. I don't know exactly the line to transfer you to.
But I give you the company registration number. That must tell you who is.
What's the registration number? Do you have that?
Well, the FCA number is 402-188. I did type it in the phone.
412-42188.
402. 402-188.
That is your own firm reference number.
Yeah, that's the firm reference number. Yeah.
Yeah, so that was the only thing I needed to be able to go into the system to get your firm.
Okay.
Yeah, but what I was asking for is the line that I need to transfer you to. I don't have that line. But see what we'll do. Okay, Anthony, see what we can do.
Okay.
Can I, the number you called that ends with 5050, okay?
Yeah.
That's your phone number that you gave me. That's correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I drop a message to someone and confirm the line that I can give you to call? So
I don't want any problem. You know, is it Christina, right?
Yes.
What's your full name, Christina?
Sorry, I can't give you my last name.
You can't give me your last name. Okay.
allowed
That's a joke, mate.
to
Who,
allow.
can you tell me, Christina, can you tell me who
Yeah.
is it, which man or woman at the FCA is not allowing you to give your name?
It's like a rule. We have our rules, so we are not allowed to give our last.
So who made this rule? Who made?
That Benson.
So you're lying then. You're lying to me.
Not. Why would I?
You're telling me somebody is not allowing you to give your name, but then you can't tell me there's somebody. So you're lying. You're covering up somebody, a scam.
I just told you now that it's the policy of the FCA.
Okay.
Give us her last name.
Which policy is that? Can you tell me which policy is that? Which section of the policy? What policy is that?
Section. We have our what we call it, the rules and regulations of the firm as employees. So we're not allowed to give us our last name.
Well, that's a huge problem. That's a legal, illegal thing, because if I deal with you and I must know your last name, what if I want to sue you?
Oh, I didn't think about that.
You didn't think about that?
No.
Okay.
Fine. You can, like I said before, I can come back to you with the feedback. It's fine.
No, I mean, who can you transfer me to who I can speak to somebody? You sound like a very nice person, although I don't know who you are. You could be some convicted murderer. Yeah. Can I tell you a joke, Christopher? Can I tell you a joke?
Go ahead.
And I tell you why you don't want to. Nikhil Rathi is telling you not to give your name, because you're running a big racket there. The judge in this case that said they made a possession order on my property, which you're going on about, the FCA, yeah?
Yeah.
He was found out that he was making these fake orders on behalf of convicted murderers. That's Judge Nicholas Parfit from the Barnett County Court.
Okay.
So I can understand why you don't want to give your name. You're all in the circle, yeah? Maybe you're not aware because you're getting your paycheck and going home to watch TV, but that's why they're telling you not to give your name. That's unlawful. I must know who you are.
Okay, Anthony.
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't help you anymore. So I don't know what else.
Well, I want you to put something on the notes, yeah? Quickly, before you cut me off.
Go ahead and tell me.
I won't take long. Something about the rules and regulation you were telling me about the FCA. The FCA got rules or policies, yeah? So the FCA has published stuff on the internet that I'm a convicted criminal, yeah? And left it there, and they must be paying money on Google to rank it high in the search engine. It's very unfair, yeah? Because you know it's not true, and you've issued a document to say, I've never been disciplined nor sanctioned, yeah? And then when I look in your disclaimer on your website, it says here, we are not liable for any damages, including without limitation damages for loss of business or loss of profit arising in contract, tort, or otherwise from the use or inability to use this site or any material contained in it, or from any action or decision taken as a result of using this site or any such material. So what you're trying to say, yeah, is you can do anything you want, and you don't have to bear any liability for it and responsibility. Yeah.
Anthony, I'm not a lawyer, so I don't have.
I want you to write it down. This is my grievance. I want you to put it down. And one more last thing. I know you have to go because I know you're a 9-to-5 and it's 6. Yeah. Okay, I understand. You might miss the bus, but just one more last thing, yeah?
Okay.
You've took my number off and my money. I want to know whose bank account my earnings are going into, because you stopped paying me. You took my license number off the system since 9th of 11th, 2017. Yeah. And then we had all this lockdown and bullshit. And now it's gone more than 6 years. Under the GDPR, I have a right to be forgotten. Yeah.
Okay.
So I want all that defamatory information to be removed, and everybody that you've sent this information to, I want it to be reversed. Yeah. And I want my money restored and my license number restored, unless you can get me the order of conviction. You know, I told you about the judge. It's been adjudged by the Judicial Complaints Authority that he's fabricating court orders on behalf of convicted murderers. Yeah.
Okay.
That's Judge Nicholas John Parfit. Okay. So I will leave you with that, and I'm going to send a letter. When I send registered post, it looks like nobody's signing for it at the FCA. Can you explain what's your address?
The address? The same address you have, the one that you sent to the office in London.
Okay, so why is nobody signing for the registered post?
Weird.
It's weird, I know. It's as weird as your surname, Christina.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad you can laugh. Thank you very much.
I was of so much help for it. I can't do much. Thank you so much.
All right, but you put a note where you need to put it, yeah?
Yes, I have.
All right, thank you very much.
No problem.
I'm going to send it by registered post, so I'm going to back it up. But I want to make this call because I'm recording it for the public to see what a scammer the FCA. You're a child trafficking network, mate. That's some of them been jailed for child trafficking, so I'm not exaggerating. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank